Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. How excited I am to be doing this one because it's a haul video, which we all know is my absolute favourites. I'm super excited to be doing my first try-on clothing haul / review of, drumroll please, MISSPAP. Now, you all probably heard about this website or seen it advertised on Instagram, Facebook. It's a great looking website. It looks like very on trend, Instagram worthy sort of clothing. I was super excited to be reached out and asked to sort of contribute if I'd like to do a whole video, and I absolutely would. I would like to just say I'm not sponsored by this at all. MISSPAP are simply just like sending me clothes to try, see how I like it, and let you guys know and share basically, and that is all it is. This came in the post today. I could not wait, so I said I'm filming it now. I've never done a review / try on clothing haul, so it's all gonna be live. I've chosen the wrong day though because I've got like crick neck, like I've got a nerve trapped right in my neck and I can't face that way. So I ever look a little bit awkward, like if you ever see me kind of like, it's because I can't physically turn my head, like it's so bad. I'm super excited to be trying this. I've never tried or had any clothes from MISSPAP before, so this is a completely honest, first time, genuine review. However, I've been very tempted to order from them before. I just never got round to it because I'm a big fan of Missguided and Pretty Little Thing and Boohoo, and I kind of just stick with those. But I, definitely wanted to go into MISSPAP and see how it looked. The link is on the screen. This is it here. I'm sure you all know the website. The link is also down below. Let's get into the review and the whole video of what I got. So I think I ordered, from what I remember, I wanted to do a bit of everything. So I ordered like tops, bottoms, full outfits, some of their beauty line, and I think accessories. I'm not sure, I physically can't remember. But let's start off with the first thing in here, which is this here. This is a cropped hoodie, but I was just sold on the fact that it is camo and red. Like this is like this red. It is red, which to me is so cool. Red is such a non-trend colour at the moment that I've been loving, but the fact that it's like the contrast of like camo, which is supposed to be really like low-key, and it's a super bright colour, is amazing. So I'm gonna try this on. Alright, so here is the hoodie on, and I have to say, I mean, it is very cropped. I got this in a size L. It ain't an L, man. This is, I would definitely say this is like an M. It is running a little bit small. Of course, it's meant to be cropped, so you're going to see stomach. But it's, oh god, this is so awkward on my neck. But it is really nice. It's quite thick. I feel like I'd be warm in this. Yeah, I don't know. I really like it. I've got a mirror here, by the way, which you can see, so that's where I'm looking in. But I really like this. I love the contrast of like the red with the camo, like I said. So yeah, you've got the little things here, and you have a hood. Not that I ever wear hoods up because it looks a bit weird, but you've got the hood if you want it. If you're a bit more bustier, if you're bustier than me, probably an item to avoid, but other than that, it is a beautiful piece. I love red camo. Insane. Beautiful. Alright, next thing. Okay. So the next thing in here is a pair of eyelashes. Now, MISSPAP's beauty line is called Glamify, and it looks so cool. They do mink lashes, which is insane. So this is a, does it even say applicate? Oh, it tells you how to apply it. It's nice, simple packaging. I love this. So you can see how super fluffy these are. They're so nice. There isn't anything on the box that's telling me what this style is. I'm pretty sure I picked 3D or something. Every link to everything I've got will be in the description. But they're super fluffy, super thick lash band. Looks really, really good. So I'm excited to try these. Alright, next up in the bag, we've got, oh yes, sunglasses. Okay, so these, MISSPAP were quite big into their sunglasses, and if you know me, I'm super fussy. Oh my god, my hair looks deflated, and I can't even like fluff it up. Do any of y'all get this in winter? My hair just always looks deflated and like, just... So I got a pair of glasses, and you could choose, they had these different, oh, it's by a different brand, SYCU. They had this style of glasses, but you could choose the colour of the lens. So I chose silver. I think they had like purple and something else. But this is UV protection, which is very good because usually like fashion sunglasses don't have much. But these look amazing. They're so big. Oh yeah, apart from this thing in the middle. Yeah, I freaking love these. Maybe not such a statement with such a statement, but I'm loving these glasses. They are exactly my size. I love huge oversized glasses, so beautiful. loving the studs. So celebrity, so Instagram. I swear I've seen these on an Instagram boutique where they're selling them literally for like 20 odd quid, and I'm sure they weren't that much on the website. So stunning, and the quality is really good. Like, it literally is really hard and strong. So yeah, got the sunglasses. What is next in the bag? We got this. Oh no, okay, I can't remember what this is, but when it's camo, I'm excited. Ooh! Okay, these look... This is a size 14. Okay, these look really big. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna try these on. Okay, this is not a good look together at all. I wish I got these in a size 12. These are such a cool idea. They're supposed to be like the paper bag waist, you know, bottoms, but I just feel like I look gargantuan because they are so big. Like, this is just puffing out. I'm gonna have to exchange these for a size 12, which I think will look really nice. But if you can picture this with a black crop top, or, you know, with heels, and also they're super long by the looks of it. These run true to size, and they are quite big. It's made me feel good anyway, but yeah, I would have totally wear these if they were a bit more fitted. Yeah, and shorter, because they're literally going to like my mid-foot when I tiptoe. I like them, but maybe not the most flattering, like on this size, but I'm sure if you got the right size to you, because you can tie this up, so it was like loose and I can, you know, tie it really, really tight. But if they are the right size, I guarantee I would wear these so much, because they are so nice. Just something to bear in mind, they don't have any stretch to them at all, except for the waistband, which is elasticated. And then obviously you've got this belt to go on there too. But, oh, that's such a shame, because they would look so good if they were just a bit more fitted. Alright, I'm feeling so fashionable right now with my red and green camo, looking so on it. But we're just doing an honest review, you know. Next! Okay, so I wanted to try MISSPAP jeans. Oh my god, these look good. So this is, I got them in a size, believe 14. Yes, I got these in a size 14, and they look like this, and they've got all these stripes, rips down them. These look super nice and promising. I'm gonna try these on and see how they look. Alright, so here we go. These are the jeans. Now, can I say, wow, they are skinny. Now, I got these in a size 14, as I told y'all, and they are definitely erring on the size 12. So if you are between sizes, go up a size for sure. They have got a bit of stretch to them, which I think is great, because I think if they didn't, I actually wouldn't have got into them. But once they're on, they feel really good, because they feel like they're just compacting me. They feel like they're sucking me in, you know. The rips are super cool. I love how they're like symmetrical down the leg. I've never had anything like that before. As you can see, it's high-waisted. And this is kind of the outfit that I would wear like out. So obviously with a nice belt maybe to go with this crop top. But this is actually a super cute outfit, and I would so wear this. And you could dress this up with heels if you wanted as well. Jeff, shut up. I feel like you could dress this up as well with some like little skinny, you know, sort of barely there shoes, and a really nice belt, and just accentuate the waist. And that's what you want to do with these jeans. High-waisted jeans, all you want to do is accentuate the waist. And I just had a massive dinner at my nan's. I had like lasagna, so I'm feeling like a size 25 right now. There's no such thing as a size 25, but you know what I mean. I'm feeling a lot bigger, but you could sort of, when you've been to the gym and not had so much food like I have today, you could proper, like, you know, have a tiny little waist and suck yourself in and look really, really good and be like, you know. But right now I'm a little bit bloated. But you know, we're gonna keep it real. We haven't got too much makeup on. The hair is all kind of just doing its own thing, and that's life. And that's what this video is, and that's what MISSPAP's for. It's for life. It's dressing you up while you're looking and can't be bothered. So, loving the jeans. I am 110% wanting to order more jeans from MISSPAP, and I love the way of how they fit. So they are like I said, go up a size if you can, but these, they fit onto me. They took a little bit to get on, but once they're on, I feel compacted, but I don't feel uncomfortable. Like, I still feel like I can sit down and like still do a squat and everything without them ripping. So, you know, it's still very comfortable. They shouldn't be to the point where you're like walking around like peg-legged because you can't bend your legs. No, really like them. What is next in the bag of dreams? So far, I tell you what, so far, great stuff. Okay, next up, this is a bikini. I won't be trying this one on for you, just because I don't feel comfortable doing that on YouTube. So I'm gonna have to take some pictures when I book my next holiday, which I don't know when that'll be, but we can only hope. Now, I got it in black. I was debating royal blue or pink, but I just went for black in the end because I loved how it had all these other colors on it. I got it in an XL, and the only reason I did that is because bikini's a bikini. You know, they're not really sizes because you tie it yourself. It feels really great quality. I'm not gonna lie, I thought this was gonna be canvas, but it's not. Like, not canvas, like knitted, which is really good that it's not, because obviously it could, you know, show through some titties. But this around the outside is knitted, which is super nice. It looks about right. The size of the cups, I like bigger cups than smaller. So you've got the top and then the bottom, which is probably the most important part of a bikini for any sort of curvy girls, because you don't want anything too skimpy because it just doesn't look good. It looks like this, and honestly they look like the perfect size as well because they are adjustable. I think like right now these would probably be perfect because I've got quite big hips in comparison to my waist. I'm a very hourglass shape, so these look really good. I don't think I'll have any problem covering the bum, and it looks great. Loving that. I love the colour contrast. I'ma just wear those with my sunglasses, you know, like living it up. I just need to book a damn holiday now. Bag of dreams, what you have for me? Okay. Alright, next up we have this thing. Oh no, I remember what this is. So this, I am obsessed. Oh my god, what does it look like? Oh no, it looks too big again. Oh no, what size did I get this in? Oh, it's a size 12, okay. This is a romper, if you can see, but it's like one of those casual, but kind of like you can dress up really easy rompers. So I cannot wait to try this because I will be living in this if it looks good. OMG. This outfit is the freaking cutest thing I think I've ever seen in my whole life. And they had this in a few different colors, so I think this might need to be bought in a few more colours. Size 12 fits amazeballs. So comfortable. Like the material is like fleeced inside. It's not fleeced, but it's like, well yeah, kind of fleeced, but not puffy fleeced. It's really comfy. It's got the little slits in the knees, as you can see, so it's kind of like a little bit risque because you're kind of like walking along and you're like, oh look, knees. Then you've got this really cool red detailing again. I'm obsessed with red. They had loads of colour combinations for this item. So there was like, I think nude with the white, and then there was like khaki with something else. But of course I wanted to start out with the black. I think this really accentuates a figure. So if you really like to show off your figure, this is a great one. It's got pockets here too, just chill out in. And I love the fact that it is off the shoulder, which makes it that even more sort of kind of like I'm dressed up but I'm so cash, I'm chilling out sort of thing. So it's great. This is winner chicken dinner, and it is beautiful. Obviously you probably wouldn't wear it with a bra, but reality strikes again. Alright, sorry if the camera has changed at all or whatever, but I just had to change the battery pack. I know I'm gonna like watch this video and just feel like I look like an elephant because I'm just, look at this, like, because I am literally so bloated today. But I thought, do you know what? It's fine. Y'all can see me when I'm bloated and out of breath and feeling super unhealthy because I ate massive lasagna with salad and garlic bread, and I'm so not sorry for it. Moving on, this outfit is everything. Do you know what? Everything so far has been absolutely tip-top 10 out of 10. What else have we got next? We are getting to the end. Is this the last item? Oh no, it's the last item. Oh shit. I remember what these are, and I don't think I'm gonna fit them. You guys, I bought, okay, did you, vinyl, and a size 12 vinyl. Oh shit, son, I ain't getting in those. There's like minimal stretch. I might be able to get into these, but if I get into these, I'm definitely never getting out of them again. I love vinyl bottoms. Like, these look so cool. I'd love to wear this with just a plain top, and they just dress up anything. They make it look uber sexy. But these, I don't know. They might just fit. I'm going to actually stop the camera this time when I change because I have a feeling this is going to take me about 10 minutes to get into. Hey. Okay, so didn't take 10 minutes actually, took about 2. Now the only problem is with these type of, ow, my neck. The only problem with this type of bottoms is the fact that you have to have them tight. If they're not tight, they're not going to be tightening, because obviously you can't have any ripples in this material. It needs to literally be like just a second skin. So they didn't take that long to get on. They're actually lined with a cotton material, so when you pull them up, they don't get stuck to your skin. It's not this material on the inside, it's a fabric. I freaking love these, but the problem is that you obviously cannot wear these like on a night out. I just feel like I would be, I don't know if you wear them for longer, they kind of stretch, they probably will, but on a night out you would have an issue trying to go to the toilet and then pulling these back up, and like, I mean, you gotta do some kind of like, you know, things like this to get them like properly on. Like, it's not attractive, and especially if you're like going on a hot date or whatever, like maybe don't wear these. Like, I know they are damn sexy, but you need to save these for those nights where you're going out and you're like, I'm gonna just like show them what they can have but no one can actually have it. You are not gonna look good coming out of these, I'm not lying. It's gonna take them half an hour. Also, something I've just noticed, and I don't know if you can hear that, but when you walk, sometimes sounds like you're farting. Like, I don't know. Maybe just put a bit of Vaseline like between these, you know? I don't know. I actually love them. I think they are so cool. They're so stylish. They are super sexy. And I think, again, with these, I mean, getting it like around my heel was an issue as well. So, well, I think once they're on and they're, you know, the stretch, they look great. With the right pair of shoes and a casual top, you know, like high heel shoes, casual top, it'll look amazing. And these are so on trend, and they kind of really complement the legs. I think they make the legs look a lot more skinnier because you've got this shine going up and down them, and obviously they are tightening them too. So I love them, and I think they are definitely worth like the hassle of getting on. Alright guys, that was everything from MISSPAP. I cannot even tell you how impressed I am with this company, and I genuinely mean that. I have bought from Boohoo before. Boohoo's where I first bought my clothes, and I was astounded by them, and I was like, oh, this is great. And then I discovered Pretty Little Thing, and then I was like, oh, this makes Boohoo's quality look not that great, so I ordered from Pretty Little Thing. Then I ordered from Missguided, and I was like, oh, Missguided is the best now, makes Pretty Little Thing look really crap quality. And now I'm not even lying to you, I've ordered this stuff now, and I've tried this on. The quality is, it feels better than Missguided. I don't think that Missguided is crap by any way, shape or form. I think Missguided is like one of my favourite companies for affordable, decent clothing. But this stuff is so thick and good quality, good material, warm material, not thin, thick material, you know what I'm on about? So I cannot be any more impressed, and I tell you what, I am downloading this app and I am ordering so much more from this company. I freaking love it. Everything has impressed me so much, so be prepared to see these items being worn on the gram. And if you're not following me on the gram, these are the items here that you can go follow me on. I got my Snapchat, Twitter and my Insta, and I have so enjoyed doing this video today. If you've seen anything that you would like to have a look at, or you think that you'd really like, most of the items that I've shown you now do come in different colours. For example, those camo bottoms, they come in like a light pink colour. Oh my god, I think Carly by Belle literally just posted an Instagram post with something so similar, so I'm getting myself those for sure. I'm super duper excited. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you to MISSPAP for sending me these items. I'm more ecstatic than I've ever been, and I seriously recommend you guys to go and check out this website if you haven't already. They are so cool. And yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed the video, and I will see you all in my next one. Let me know what other sort of websites or any other online shops that you'd like me to review, and I can always have a look into that for you. So make sure you're having a great day, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Make sure you stay beautiful. Ciao.